Okay, classmates, good night. Today I'm going to present the end of the history of the second activity of the unit 3. Yes. However, Susan became so interested in Joe that she started sending him messages and details, and though Joe didn't pay much attention, he wasn't entirely indifferent to him. One day, Joe went to a party where all his schoolmates would meet, but what he didn't count out was that Susan knew about this meeting and wanted to arrive and announce it. So she did, and although Joe was reluctant to tell to her affairs, Susan was so constant that she finally abandoned him and not only chatted. She took advantage of Ashley's absence to seduce Joe, who, in the midst of alcohol, failing his beloved Ashley that night. After this, the comments reached the ears of the sweet Ashley, who cried and was totally disappointed in Joe. For his part, he tried to do everything possible to earn his beloved forgiveness, but everything was useless. One morning, Ashley went jogging and she was run over by a car. They took her to the hospital and she was very, very serious. Obviously, Joe was always very aware of her. This helped Ashley a lot of open her heart to Joe again though she was still afraid to give him a new chance. She stayed to forgive him. After this, Joe was the most faithful man in the world, and he never said Susan again. Okay, students, this is my final for this history. The students maybe change other finals and maybe very short, but I wanted this final because it's based in a movie that I watched TV. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you very much.